Hello my dear students, you have some queries related to the chapter income determination and multiplier. Okay, so some of the student has asked about the question number 11. So first I read the question number 11. The consumption function of an economy is given. C is equal to 40 plus 0.8y. So that is the consumption function is given. This is the question number 11. Page number 8.48. 41. Page 8.41. Is it clear? So C is equal to, that is given 40 plus 0.8y. That is already given. Calculate the total income, total increase in income. So I have to calculate delta y is equal to what? Increase in income and consumption, and C is equal to what? Okay. If investment expenditure increased by 500 crore, so delta I, that is already given. Delta I is equal to 500 crore. Clear? So this is the given. Now we have to calculate this one. So it is very easy. Here we know that y is equal to C plus S, and S is always equals to I at equilibrium level. Equilibrium level. Here, so here that is the consumption function. It is already given. So we can write here y is equal to C plus S. So y is equal to, in place of C we can write here 40 plus 0.8y. So C I have already done. Now S. So S is always equals to I at equilibrium level. So plus I, that is 500. Clear? 500 crore. So what will be the value? Y is equal to this and this you will add. So that is the 540 plus 0.8 y. Clear? Now this value will come this side. So y minus 0.8 y is equal to 540. So take the y common. So what will be happen? 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 540. So 0.2 y is equal to 540. Then y is equal to 540 divided by 0.2. So remove this point. So multiplied by 10, because for the decimal the value is 1 and after the decimal there is a single digit, so the 0. So now there is no use of this decimal. So 2 2s are, that is 5. So 540 into 5 is equal to 0. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, that is 2007 crore income will increase. That will be your answer. Is it clear? So it is a very easy question. Only you have to keep it in your mind that y is always equals to C plus S and S is equals to I at the equilibrium level. Clear? Now come to the second question which you have asked, that is the question number 13. the same page and the question number is 13. Is it clear? So now once again in the question number 13 here that is given, in an economy people always consume half of an additional income and save half and save the other half. Clear? So additional income means what? Whatever the income has increased, the increased income is the increased income of 50%. So many times I told you that MPC is equal to, it means half. Clear? Or the MPC, the value will be 0.5. Clear? So here the 50% is consumed and 50% is saved. So the MPS will also be half and the value will be 0.5. Is it clear? So now determine the additional income generated if the government make an additional expenditure of 20,000 crores. Is it clear? So additional investment, that is the additional expenditure means additional investment, that is given how much? That is 20,000 crores. Okay, so delta I is equal to 20,000 crores. That is already given. So what will be the value of income means delta Y is equal to what? So here I have given the MPC and I have also given the MPS. So there is a formula, K is equal to 1 divided by MPS. Okay, or you may mention K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Is it clear? The value will be the same. So K is equal to 1 divided by 0.5. So K is equal to 1 into 10 divided by 5 means the value will be 2. Means the multiplier value. This is known as multiplier value, that is K is equal to 2. Is it clear? Now we know that K is equal to delta Y divided by delta I. So this is the formula of multiplier. So I have two things, one that is delta I we have and K is also we have, then we can easily calculate delta Y. So cross multiplication, delta Y is equal to K into delta I. So put the value of K is 2 into the value of delta I, that is already given 20,000 crores. So the income generation will be 40,000 crores. That will be answer. It is very easy questions. Okay. Now come to the question number 15 as you asked. Here that is the question number 15. So what the 15 question number says? Here the 15 question number says, if the consumption function, the same thing. Okay? If the consumption function for an economy is given C is equal to 120 plus 0.9 Y. So consumption function, that is C is equal to 120 plus 0.9 Y. It is already given. Then what is the value of multiplier? Okay, now we have to calculate the value of multiplier, means K is equal to what? Clear? So as we know, this is known as C bar and this is known as MPC. This is the C bar and this is known as MPC. So here, as we know, here MPC is equal to 0.9. So the value of multiplier you can easily calculate. So K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. So K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 0.9. So K is equal to 1 divided by 0.1, or K is equal to 1 into 10 divided by 1. 1 cancel. Now the value of K is equal to 10. Okay. So what will be the multiplier value? That will be 10. It is very easy question, 1 mark question. Okay. Now you have asked the question number 16 of the same page. So now come to the question number 16. Okay. So what the question number 16 says? If consumption at zero level of income is 40. So here Y is equal to 0, then C is equal to 40. It means it is autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption. So what is it is given? That is autonomous consumption. Clear? So if the consumption at zero level of income, that is the 40 crore, and the investment multiplier, okay, so K is also given, K is equal to 4. Investment multiplier is 4. Then determine the relevant consumption function. Okay, so we have to calculate consumption function. C consumption function. That is the C is equal to what? Clear? So first of all we will calculate the value of MPC. What is the value of MPC? So we know that K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Clear? But we do not know the value of multiplier. We know the value of investment multiplier, that is already given. K is equal to 4. So put the value. 4 is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. So now cross multiplication. 1 is equal to 4 minus 4 MPC. Clear? Now this value will come left hand side. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 MPC. Clear? So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 4 MPC. Then MPC is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 4. So minus minus cancel. This is the 0.75. So we have already calculated MPC is equal to 0.75. Now put the value. We know that the formula of consumption function C is equal to C bar plus BY, where B is the MPC. So what will be the value? Autonomous consumption, that is given, that is the 40 plus MPC we have already calculated 0.75. So 0.75 and Y is not given. So the equation will be C is equal to 40 plus C is equal to 40 plus 0.75 Y. Is it clear? Now come to the question number 17. Here the question number, that is the 17. Is it clear? So 17, what it says? Once again, if planned to increase national income by 1000 crore. So increase in income means delta Y, that is the 1000 crore. How much increase in investment? Delta Y we have to calculate. Delta I is equal to what? How much increase in investment is required to achieve this goal? Assume that marginal propensity to consume is 0.6. Okay? So MPC is also given. MPC is equal to 0.6. Is it clear? So first of all we will calculate the value of K. So K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC, because the value of MPC is given. So 1 divided by 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 1 divided by 0.4, or 1 into 10 divided by 4. Is it clear? So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So value of, that is the 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So K, the value of K is how much? 2.5. We have already calculated. Clear? Now we have to calculate delta I. So once again, investment multiplier, that is known as K. So K is equal to delta Y divided by delta I. Clear? So K, that is the 2.5 is equal to 1000 crore, that is the income, and delta I it is not given. Clear? So cross multiplication, 2.5 delta I is equal to 1000 crore. So delta I is equal to 1000 into 1000 divided by 2.5 means 10. So here the value of 0.5, the value will go up to 10. So here that is the 25 4 100, that is the 40. So delta I is equal to 40 into 10, or delta I is equal to 400. So the value of delta I will be 400. So your answer is 400 crore. Then the income will increase up to 1000 crore. Is it clear? And I hope you are capable to solve all the questions. Okay? Thank you.